See? My role name is, my roleplay name is called Noob.
I'm going to the shop, Steve.
I'm going to the shop.
How much is...
I'm loading. Right there.
That's a lot.
Here.
Can I get a double stroller?
I want to get that big fin right there. That hot balloon.
It costs...
Goo goo gaga. Goo. Can we get some food?
No.
Baby food.
Oh, fine.
It's formula. I want some baby formula. Formula.
Baby formula.
Baby formula.
Eat it.
Where is it? It's not in my hand.
Eat it.
You have to feed me it. You find.
Yeah.
Yum 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 yum.
No, where do you want to go? Do you want to go to the park? Little baby.
Yes. I'm tired.
Well, you shouldn't be. Can I just steal this bike?
No. Because you're dead.
We're doing deals. Do you want to go these to these Wizzies?
Wizzies. What wizzies?
The Paxies.
Yes.
Okay, these. We're going to the park.
Wee down the bridge.
Do you want to go in the
Trampoline. Trampoline. Trampoline.
Don't run off without me,
Wah.
you little child.
Trampoline. Trampoline.
No, don't. Wait.
No.
Do you want to go?
I don't want to go to nurseries.
Cancel. You're not going to nursery. Is that fun?
Yeah.
Do you want to go on the slides?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Yeah.
For me. Go on my shoulders. Go on my shoulders.
I'm a noob, so
Go on
I'll
my
be done.
shoulders.
Boo,
No.
boo.
Just go on my shoulders.
Ah,
Go on my shoulders. Go on my shoulders.
me. Yeah.
Ah.
I see that. I told you I was a noob, didn't I? I'm at my house, just kidding.
That's why I told you to go on my shoulders.
Well, I just.
Just reset your character.
No.
See you next year.
See you next year as well.
Your baby's just flying in the sky.
I'm flying in the. I wish.
Oh no.
I wish I could touch.
Shit.
What's that song called again? It's not a song, but I wish I could fly and touch the sky.
You're dead.
I thought I could have come back
I'm
down.
crying. I'm just sitting on the floor.
I like the song as well.
Why?
No.
Why?
Oh.
Yeah, your house is ugly.
Yeah, I know, because I haven't even edited it. I might just edit it, guys. So what should
Where
we
is
get?
your house?
First, I've got to get rid of these boxes right here.
Lloyd,
Gonna delete them.
bro, you literally did accept everyone in our family.
Oh. Just go to me.
Thanks. Well, okay, we've got a big family. Okay.
I'm a noob.
Okay,
I'm a noob.
what have you got a phone?
What?
Nothing.
I'm dying.
Ew, well,
Stop.
I thought you were good.
Party. I want a what party stuff should we get, guys?
None.
I want a pit bull and a bouncy castle. I know. I know it's humongous. Get out of my pit.
I can't even see it. I don't know where I'm going. Okay, there it is. It's like a sandcastle with walls in.
Yeah, I know, because it
Hey,
is.
do you want to come to my house? It's so much better and better.
N-O. N-O says no. Big drawing board. I need a big drawing board, don't I, guys?
That's so much, and you know that you don't really want any money.
I don't care. Who cares about money? Don't need money.
Okay.
Turn on.
What do you mean?
What? Yeah. Oh. Hi!
Can't say random.
We are on YouTube YouTube. I'm just gonna do our channel Random Master.
You should do a space instead of doing all together so people could like it with no space and everything.
We did it. Seriously.
Just put YT Random Masters, then a Random Masters. Just put random.
I want to type something. Who cares? Just leave it like that. Yeah, no. It's fine.
Looking for a parent?
No.
Wait, well, not family.
Oh, I said that.
Oh, you got one.
Come on, let's just jump.
Okay.
Boom.
Hey.
Boom.
Wait for me, my long lost child.
I hate you. Not in real life. But you're not in a family, you are.
Yes, you added everyone before we even started this video in our family. Well done, baby. I didn't know babies can make their own families.
I know. Well, they can. They adopted their own.
So, wait, do the babies adopt their parents?
Yeah?
I'm going to come to my house. My home is much better than your home.
Okay.
I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Why am I like falling into the ground?
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Like tripping.
My hair. Ew. Ew.
Wiggle. It's because I jumped off your shoulders.
Really? Really?
It might take me 2 hours to get in. I'm out.
Oh yeah, I locked it. That's why.
Lock the
I
hole.
locked. There.
Thank you, Mai.
Yeah.
How is this much better than mine?
I don't know. Look.
You don't know.
Just get to bed, my little.
I upgraded my house
Can you
before
get
and
in?
it's so much
Let-
bigger. Like, this is so tinsy.
How do you upgrade it again?
You just need to, I can't remember. Just go upgrade home.
Should I?
Yeah.
Can you just?
Only if you can. Yeah, you can definitely. I think. Add new home. New home. I got a family home. It's so much. Oh, you don't. I saved up. I saved up forever. I was like, come on, I need to save up to get it, and I got the family house.
That's quite a bit. Okay, let's get up. Just get up.
We'll get the
Get
castle.
up.
Come on, let's just go somewhere. Let's go.
No, I don't want to make it. Baby! No, baby!
I'm a noob. I'm gonna get drove over a car.
Get to bed, baby.
Fine, I will. I'll get out.
You're not a noob, you just think you're a noob.
I'm a baby noob. I'm gonna go to the toilet if I can. Just go in the shower.
No! Baby! No! Where are you, baby? Are you sunk into the toilet? Oh,
Yeah.
well, you need to be clean anyway.
I'm going into the sewage water.
Really?
I'm out.
Baby, come to me. Come to Papa.
No, this is my
no,
bed.
Sleep!
This is my bed. That's your
I put
bed.
dibs on this bed.
That's your bed, and
No.
this is mine.
Baby, get to bed.
That's my bed. Get off my bed.
Yes.
No.
Sleep. Sleep.
I want my teddy.
No, you don't have one.
Look at me in the cot. I look so cute. I think.
You're in the crib.
Yeah.
Why didn't I get rid of that box? Oh, I quite like that. My baby, ugly baby. Why did I adopt such an ugly baby?
I'm asleep. I'm asleep doing this. Why you hit me with that thing? It's a rubber thing, guys. It's like these rubber worms. Like these rubber worm things.
It's not made out of rubber.
It's like
elastic.
yeah, elastic worm thing. With eyes, it has all little.
It has no
Now-
pupils. Yes, you go to nursery. Get to nursery now, my little boy.
No.
Yes.
Bye, Mother. I actually wanted to come here.
Family. Why? My
Bye, Mother.
Good boy. You're going to here. What does this take you?
I don't know. Enter. Oh, it just become VIP.
No, they're not coming in my family. Like, there's no what.
I don't want to go to nursery. It's so boring in here.
No, it's so fun. I would look after you.
Yeah. Pretend you're like you're the nursery person. Can you show me?
Oh, do you want a sister?
Yes.
You've got a sister. Say hello to me. Get on my. Pick you up. Hello!
Wait, I'm gonna
Ew.
type.
A beautiful face. It's a beautiful face.
Hi, sister. I want a brother as well. But oh, I might lose. There's another noob, Mum. I think I'll be better off with that noob, Mum.
No. Never. Never.
I invited someone because I want her dad.
Quite really? You've already got dad. Like, you've got like 20
I
dads
know.
and 20 mums.
I know.
You've got 20 each. Where is your sister gone?
We're all family.
Oh my god.
We're family.
I don't know.
We're family.
Go.
No. Come on.
Sister!
I want to invite you to my
No,
family.
I teleported to your little sister. Where is your little sister?
Where are you? Hold her. Ride her. Oh, hold her.
Pick her up.
You took me! Help! He's a kidnapper. He's a kidnapper.
Just, do you know why? Because you invited him to family.
No. You just dropped me.
Pick it.
Just pick me
Come
up.
on, baby. You need to have some family. Yes. I need to get
Bye.
you too.
Bye, family. See you never. See you in a year. See you when I'm dead.
I'm just gonna I'm gonna try to peel the eyes off.
Yeah, just peel the eyes off there. Okay, guys, so wait.
Guys, you're probably wondering what's happening here. Baby, wait for you are. You're not
Invite.
gonna. No.
Because I wanted a brother.
Mm.
Yeah.
You're the brother of your brother.
He denied.
Your brother. You're the brother of the brother. Okay? You're your own brother. Do you not get what I'm trying to say here?
Kind of.
Okay,
I
well,
actually do,
oh well.
guys.
I'm getting a double
Yeah. You
No.
can't get that. Buy a double.
Are you blind?
I know. Get yellow. Get greenish
Sorry,
yellow.
guys, but
Everything's dying.
Get in! Get in! My little demonic baby.
You keep there.
Get in, my
Get
demonic.
your daughter. Save. The mission is save the daughter.
My demonic baby. Don't get out the pram. Demonic.
Mission.
Complete.
Get daughter. Mission to get daughter. Come on. Chance to get the daughter. We just stole a gun.
Money. Cash out.
Cash out. There. You don't need family, do you?
I might.
Anyways, I'll get a better date.
Get in.
No! He's a kidnapper.
He's your family.
He's a kidnapper.
That kidnaps the families and kicks the babies around.
Yeah.
I'm not looking for a baby. I've already got like 2,000 from all the people you just adopted. Yeah, guys, a fun fact. Babies do adopt the people. So, but guys, I guess this wraps it up for this video.
So, yeah, guys, remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the
notifications.
We'll leave the description for our other channel
Down
and
below.
check it out because it's Random Masters.
Okay, bye.
So, bye, guys.